My dishwasher keeps tripping the circuit breaker. Any ideas?
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
In the middle of a cycle it just blows. Seems to be at the same point.
Okay, got it. Last thing, JustAnswer charges a fee, generally around $18, to post your type of question to Appliance Experts. You only pay if satisfied. There are a couple customers ahead of you. We can help you for less if you're not in a rush. Are you willing to wait a bit?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
Hello from Ja. My name is Woody. I will be glad to assist you today. I have been servicing all major brands of appliances for 35 years, and have over 100,000 in-home repairs and over 80,000 internet repairs under my belt. Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? Would you say that the unit trips the breaker when the heater is being energized? And in some cycles and options the heater comes on in more than just the dry cycle, it also comes on to heat the water. And do you have a volt-ohm meter and know how to use it?
Thanks for responding. I should clarify a bit more. We bought the house about 1 year ago. The dishwasher is not on its own circuit. It actually trips at a GFI outlet that is on the circuit. While I suppose having its own circuit is optimal, it has been working fine for the year we have owned the house. GE, model # installed November 2009. I do not have a volt-ohm meter, or know how to use, but could get one. The dishwasher cuts out early in the cycle. It is before the soap door opens, so not related to the drying. It always is at the same point based on the sounds we hear.
Okay, when it trips the breaker when you open the door and pull out the lower rack, is there standing water in the unit? Okay, so that would be when the unit is heating the wash water up using the heater. I suspect that the heater is shorted out. If you open the door, pull out the lower rack, look at the black heating element, do you see any sign of it being deformed or broken?
No sign of being deformed or broken.
Okay, then you will need to get a volt-ohm meter to be able to test the heater to see if it is shorted to ground. Or you can just replace the heater. And the unit should not be on a GFCI circuit.
When you say heater, you are referring to a different part than the heating element, I assume? Do you have a general idea what a heater would cost?
No, you only have one heater. It is energized to heat the water during a wash and rinse cycles and to also dry the dishes. Here is a link that gives part number and price, and you can order the part right from there. http://www.repairclinic.com/quote10/part detail GE dishwasher heating element WD05x10010/1472685 model number equals GLD4458R00CS and SS equals A9B3I180D851611 and Mr equals 1 ? Ricade equals 1000070. If you have any questions, just reply back. Price is $57.70 if you purchase it. If you call in a service company, you're looking at around $150 to $200 parts and labor.
If I get the volt-ohm tester, what exactly do I test?
You will need to remove the unit from the cabinets and remove the electrical wires off of the heater terminal on the underside of the unit and test the heater element for continuity/resistance. If it has no resistance, it is open equals bad and will need to be replaced.
In your mind, with the little information you have, what % chance is it that I would find that it is bad?
Since it is stopping with water in the unit, about a 90 to 95% chance it is a heater issue.
It always happens at a point where there is a very loud sound, like it is try to kick on a major cycle and push a big burst of water. Does that seem to make sense with the heater issue as well?
Okay, so before it trips, do you hear the unit running and circulating the water? Then it trips, or is this as soon as it fills with water then trips?
That seems like a good description.
So then it trips the breaker within the first, say, 3 to 4 minutes of operation, is that correct?
I'm a little bit unsure. It is on the Sani cycle. Like I mentioned before, it was before the soap door opened. We can't seem to get the cycle to cancel, to start over and try it again, so every time we reset the GFI, it just starts up again in the middle of a cycle. It does re-trip about 3 minutes in when we reset the GFI.
Okay, so use an extension cord on a non-GFCI outlet then, and see what it does.
Okay. I'm at work now. I'll ask my wife to try that when she gets home in about an hour. Can we pick up then?
Sorry, we lost power in my area. Back online now thou.
My wife isn't available yet to try the extension cord to non-GFI outlet. I'll get back to you when she has a chance to do this.
Okay, I'm online till 5 p.m. EST today and online from 9 to 5 Saturday.
My wife cannot figure out how to pull the unit out, but she was able to cancel the cycle and restart. She ran it on the normal cycle. It trips about 13 minutes in. Steam came out and water was hot, but heating element was not. I'll try to pull the unit out tomorrow and get back to you.
Okay, that will be fine. Just copy this conversation's URL and paste it into your favorites and get back to me when you can.
I wasn't able to plug into a non-GFI outlet. I should explain a bit better. The washer is direct wired, it's just that it is not the only thing on that circuit. There are several kitchen GFI outlets on the same circuit. It is one of those outlets that trips. Today I ran it on the light cycle. It appeared to fill up fast and the washing cycle started up fine. About 5 minutes in, it tripped. I think you are saying that your theory is that the heating element tried to kick on to heat up the water, and since the element is bad, that is why it tripped. Is that correct?
Yes, the heating element does not come on right away, it comes on as the unit is running in a cycle. And as per the manufacturer's use and care booklet, the unit has to be on its own dedicated slow blow circuit. It should not be on a GFCI circuit, and it should not be on a circuit with anything else either. The dishwasher itself in a heating mode, whether it is heating water or in a dry mode, pulls approx 12 amps, and if you have something else on the same circuit that is also running, it can and will trip the 15 amp circuit breaker. But if the unit is tripping a GFCI and not the circuit's breaker on the breaker box, you have something shorted to ground, which I suspect the heating element.
Thanks for all your help. I'll take care of getting your rating so that you can get credit.
Thank you and glad to assist you anytime.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.